Okay, teens, let's build your rent-ready starter pack. Because one day you'll want an apartment that isn't your parents' basement. I want you to keep your money. I want you to keep your sanity. I want you to keep your security deposit. Checklist Item 1. Security deposits. Think of a security deposit like a trust fall. With cash, you give the landlord money, they hold it while you promise not to turn the place into a TikTok set on fire. Pro tips. Get the exact amount in writing. Is it 1 month, 1.5, plus pet deposit? Ask where your deposit is kept. Some places require it in a separate account that earns interest. That interest might be yours. Know the clock. How many days after you move out do they have to return it? 14, 30, 60? That deadline matters. Keep receipts. Pay the deposit by a traceable method. No wads of cash like you're in a heist movie. Checklist Item 2. The move-in inspection. Imagine you're Sherlock but for scratches. Steps. Schedule a walkthrough in daylight. Bring your phone. Take photos and short videos of every room. Walls, floors, ceilings, windows, blinds, appliances, outlets, water pressure, that mysterious stain that looks like a map of Australia. Test everything. Flip switches, run the taps, flush toilets, open every cabinet. If a door squeals, record the squeal like it's a feature-length film. Document smells too. Bedroom smells like old onion ring is a valid note. Send your checklist and photos to the landlord the same day, in writing. Subject line, move-in condition, Unit 204, your name. Save that email like it's your baby. Checklist, Item 3, roommate agreements. I love friendship. I love rent paid on time more. Your roommate agreement is the prenup for your Netflix password. Include money, who pays what, how much, by when. Use autopay or split apps. Late means late. Add a late fee rule. Utilities and Wi-Fi. Whose name is on each bill? What happens if someone ghosts? Cleaning? Rotate chores. Clean means agreed standards, not I lit a candle. Guests and quiet hours. Set limits. Your living room is not a 24/7 sleepover. Food rules, shared staples. Label your leftovers like museum art. Pets? Allowed? Deposits? Who walks Sir Barks-a-Lot at 7 a.m.? Conflict plan. 24-hour cooling off rule. Then a sit-down chat with solutions, not sarcasm. Move out. Notice period. Sublet rules. How to split the security deposit if someone leaves early. Bonus mini checklist. Getting approved. Credit and income. Landlords want proof. If you're new to credit, consider a cosigner. Or a larger deposit, only if you can afford it. Renter's insurance. It's cheap and it saves you when life says plot twist. Read the lease. Every page. If you don't understand a clause, ask. No questions is how security deposits disappear. Graduation moment. If you do these 3 checklists, deposit, move-in, roommate, you're not just renting, you're adulting with finesse. Because future you deserves a full deposit back, a drama-free group chat, and a place that feels like home, not a sitcom. You've got this. Now go label those leftovers.